Hey everybody, welcome back to Guns and Gadgets. I really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. Some interesting news out of the state of Rhode Island as a court and a judge has sided with concealed carry people and jammed it to a police chief. Stick by and check it out. So for the second time in just over a year, the state Supreme Court of Rhode Island is calling out the chief of police for East Providence. You see, the police chief has been denying all kinds of firearms permits for residents for basically any reason he wants. He's making residents show, and I'll quote it, a proper and true need to carry. You know, not like that Second Amendment thing. That's just paper. In April 2015, the court told the chief that you can't deny anybody unless you have some type of information to back it up, and we want to see that on paper. You just can't make your own stuff up and apply it as you see fit. They even said that the chief was incorrectly applying the law. Now, Rhode Island law reads that a city or town shall issue. It's a shall issue state when it comes to licenses to carry firearms. I'm going to read this quote here. The law reads that the city or town's licensing authority shall issue a license when it appears that the applicant has good reason to fear an injury to his or her person or property or has any other property reason to carry. It also says a proper showing of need is not a component of the law, according to the court. Now, what set this all off is an NRA firearms instructor who lives in Rhode Island applied for a concealed carry permit, and this chief said, no, you're not going to get it. Well, the person fought it all the way to the courts, and the Rhode Island Supreme Court noted that it's been about 10 years prior that there was no concealed carry permits issued. So for a 10-year period, East Providence, Rhode Island didn't give anybody a concealed carry permit, even though the law says it's a shall issue. So the judge is basically saying you can't deny anybody the right to carry unless you can prove it in writing and we want to see it. So kudos to the judges in Rhode Island's Supreme Court for siding with us, the people, when it comes to our rights, you know, on that piece of paper, that Constitution thing that just keeps screwing all those liberals. I hope everybody in East Providence, Rhode Island applies for a permit right now. Now that the judges are looking and watching him, get your permit now. Guys, gals, the law is not discretionary. It is the law of the land, our rights. That's it. Shall not be infringed. If you like this information, hit that like button, share it with all your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. This is Jared from Guns and Gadgets. I appreciate your time. Until we see each other again, be safe, stay vigilant, and carry a weapon. Take care.